Hey, I'm Brody from the Young Makers, and today I'm going to be making a new spacer for our tripod. We lost a couple pieces and we've been using a pen bushing, but now that we have the metal lathe up and running, we're going to make a new one out of aluminum. Now that most of the rough turning is done, I'm going to take an outer measurement of this bushing and work towards it. Whoops. Where is it? The measurement is 334, so I'm going to work to 340 thou. Measurement was 535 thou, so we can take off like 200 thou and we'll be good. So I just took another pass, and because I'm trying to hit a dimension, I'm not that good yet, I'm gonna take that pass, and now I'm gonna double check with the micrometer just so I hit my dimension, and it would help if it was unlocked. Read, it's at 426. So our dimension right before our finishing pass is 350. Oh shoot. Oh, we're 1 thou over, so I'll just take a 5 thou finishing pass. It's not that critical of a dimension. This pass is almost done, like, come on. Now that we have our outer diameter turned, we're going to move over to the tailstock and install our Jacob's chuck and drill it out. So I just chucked the part back up in the lathe. I'm going to switch my parting blade for a regular tool. I'm going to turn the tailstock, or no, the work head at an angle, and I'm going to face the piece off. just wrapped up making the new spacer for the tripod, and it turned out great. This is my first time turning aluminum on the lathe, so that was fun. And it was just a simple project that was just good to help me get better at the lathe.